Welcome to Hanaa Jacob Co, one of the most stunning and prestigious communities in Abu Dhabi. My name is Jana and you are on the Nef Real Estate channel where we talk about the best properties in the United Arab Emirates. Today I want to show you and tell you about this new stunning community which consists of over 100 villas and apartments on the seafront, branded by the famous watch and jewelry brand Jacob Co. The villas will be located here and along the canal, and on the opposite side of the canal, there will be several large mansions. There will be 2 buildings with apartments and a private beach for the residents of this community. There will also be a retail area with restaurants and cafes. There will be a private club for residents, including a cigar lounge, and it will truly be a stunning premium community on the seafront. This area is located halfway between Abu Dhabi and Dubai. The area belongs to Abu Dhabi. This is a historically quite significant place for the history of the Emirates, as it is here that Sheikh Zayed lived. And in this palace, which is located here across the canal, he made the decision to unite the Arab Emirates. This community is a nature reserve. There will be greenery all around, and the area is surrounded by a forest with various animals, such as gazelles. And here is the stunningly beautiful turquoise sea. This is a unique community, very green, prestigious, and very beautiful. And it will be very, very pleasant to live here. It has its own microclimate, slightly cooler than in Takam, the city. And there is a very fresh breeze all the time. It's just an amazing place. This community is strategically located right between Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And it's only about 45 to 50 minutes to the center of Abu Dhabi, around an hour to the center of Dubai, and at the same time very close, for example, to the new Al Maktoum International Airport, which will soon be the largest airport in the world, and by on about 30 to 35 minutes by car. In addition, the new Etihad rail will pass by this community, our path connecting all the Emirates, including Dubai and Abu Dhabi. It will take only about 40 minutes from one city to another. Soon there will be a villa here. That is, villas will be built along this coastline from the first line to along the canal to the road. These will be beachfront villas with their own private beach and access to the water. On the opposite side, we see that there will also be part of this community with a community center and apartments. And besides, over there, you can see construction is already underway. This is an artificial island where a hotel, residence, and a medical and wellness center of the famous Spanish clinic SHA are being built. So the residents of this community and the entire nearby community will have the opportunity to visit the wellness center. Such a premium center is the only one in the Middle East region, which will open in 2 years. This community is like the new Riviera of the Emirates, with a stunning sea and leisure opportunities. And it's a wonderful place for a family to live, but also a great opportunity for investors, as projects near the sea on the first line and surrounded by greenery will always be in demand in the Emirates. And here all of this is present, plus big names like Jacob Co and SHA. And we also expect a very serious, significant increase in property prices in this area when everything is ready, when the project is built, the clinic is constructed, and the infrastructure is fully completed. This project will be completed in the middle of 27th year. And when everything here is ready, the prices will, of course, be completely different. So this project is also very interesting for investors. Let's take a closer look at what types of villas are offered for sale and what is included in the price.
Let's probably start with the most unexpected aspect. Regarding our villas, what sets us apart from absolutely all developers, it's that when you buy your villa, you can change the layout. And it will be...
These are customized villas?
Yes, it will be completely free. So after a 5% booking, we do a Zoom call with you, or you can come in person and you can change the layout, close the kitchen, open the kitchen, make a loft, for example. Isn't it nice, really, to have a dream home like that?
To make the house suit your needs?
Yes.
Maybe somehow rearrange the bedrooms, the living room a bit, right?
Yes, to suit yourself. Yes, as it suits you. Also, when you buy villas from us, the pool, landscaping, and greenery are already included in the price. And of course, the entire interior design. So you get a beautiful ready-made villa. It's very pleasant to receive it. So the landscaping, everything is ready. You just need to buy furniture. This is a mansion.
Mansion, yes?
Yes, a mansion by the shore. The feature of this villa is that it has views of the water, the sea, both from the back and the front. It's very unique. It's hard to find something like this at all. It's a large 7-room villa mansion. It is fully customized. So if you want to build it differently, no problem, you can build it.
So not only the interior, but the exterior as well, completely.
Yes, 1,500 square meters, entirely yours. You are building the house of your dreams.
The feature of this villa is that you will have a beautiful large infinity pool. You swim with a view of the canal, and there are small steps. That is, you don't need to leave the villa. You have direct access to the beach, to the equipped beach, to the canal. That's it. And of course, it's clear that landscaping is included. Everything is included in the price. And this infinity pool with a barbecue area is also included in the price. Very beautiful.
This villa is very, ready for moving in. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to order additional setup, spend time on it or extra money. No need to dig a pool. That is, everything is already included.
Included in the price.
Yes, I would like to note that there are very spacious terraces, such large living rooms. So there is enough space for everyone.
That's right.
Yes. So the main feature of our project is that we have quality control group from Jacob Co. This is a quality group that checks absolutely everything down to the bolts we use naturally because it is indeed, such a well-known. And naturally they want to maintain this high level. Our standard villas have premium quality finishes, but here it will be just top notch. Yes, in front of you now is a standalone villa, which by the way is priced at what I consider a simply magnificent price of 8,250,000 dirhams for 330 square meters, which essentially when you have a private beach on the open sea, when everything is included in the price, is just wonderful.
But these are also branded villas,
of course,
with a high level of finish. That is, this is really very high quality real estate, very kind of,
pleasant prices,
pleasant money. Yes, pleasant prices.
Accordingly, as you can see, we also have a beautiful terrace at the front, right? And accordingly at the back. We can also go and take a look. A large terrace from the master room, with a view of the pool. That is a very beautiful villa. And we can look at its layout. But again, I remind you that the layout can be changed according to the client's wishes.
Well, these villas, except for the moment, all villas can have their layout slightly altered inside. That is, nothing changes on the outside. Only the internal arrangement of the villa, its layout, can be modified.
Yes.
Let's take a look at the 5-bedroom villa.
Yes, of course. It's located right here. So it's a 5-room villa with 415 square meters. That means it's already larger. It has more terraces. I see. So it has a larger plot and the size of the villa itself is bigger. It is already priced at 10,800,000. Yes. So it's larger in size. And again, as you can see, we have corner terraces here and there are terraces on the facade. So the layout of the villa itself is very interesting.
Yes. And this is a large villa, 6-bedroom. It's already 3-level. There is a lot of space.
Yes, the plot itself is 1,000 square meters. So it is quite spacious. And the main feature of this villa is that you have your own large infinity pool with access to the canal. So you have an exit at the back. You can see the sea. There is access to the canal, to the beach. Additionally, let's talk about the apartments that will be in your project. These are actually the first apartments, as I understand, in this community. Mike, yes, these will be branded apartments. They will be, that is, these are beachfront apartments right on the shore. A very limited number of villas. For example, in the first building, building C, we have only 130 apartments. The buildings will be in the shape of the letters J and C, like Jacob Co. Yes, very interesting, by the way. Such an interesting architectural solution. Yes, exactly. And accordingly, of course, these apartments will have a private beach on the open sea. It will be a branded private beach by Jacob Co. And the main feature will be the world's first Jacob Co beach club, right? Well, of course, yes. And of course, it should be noted that our building has 80,000 square feet of amenities. That is, all the infrastructure is located on the ground floor. There's no need to go outside. Everything is there. A spa, a Jacob Co cigar room, a lounge area, business meeting rooms. So if you have, for example, a meeting, you can book a room and hold business meetings. Children's rooms, a huge gym, 4 restaurants by the shore. Yes, there is everything necessary for sports, activities, tennis. Yes, so whatever you wish for, everything will be in our building.
Wonderful. And also here, since the project is situated on both sides of the canal, there will be pedestrian bridges that will allow residents to cross the canal effortlessly and get there, right, to the beach and all the infrastructure that will be available to the residents of this project. Here, most of it is already sold out. Everything in this part is already sold out. The next phase will be soon, where there will also be an opportunity to choose a villa and become a resident of this wonderful, unique project, or become an investor. Will also be
receiving their income.
Their income, yes, you can rent it out or resell it when everything here is ready. Here, of course, the prices will be completely different when the entire community is fully built.
Yes. So the main feature of this project is the private beach, the open sea, which is very hard to confirm now, incredibly hard to find now in the UAE. That is, it's a brand, recognition, and a limited number of units.
Such a unique project. We would be glad to receive your comments and questions. If you are interested, please contact us because the project is truly unique. There is still an opportunity to buy a villa or an apartment here. We would be happy to help and find the best option for you. See you again on the Nef Real Estate channel.